have you guys been wondering how to screen record your laptop? Sometimes your laptop comes with the game bar where you can basically record using the game bar that is used to record games. But as you would later realize that game bar has less and less features. Basically, when recording using the game bar, you cannot record more than two screens. You cannot record the desktop. You can only record the windows or videos, stuff like that. So in today's video, I'll be showing you a software that you can use to download not to download but to record your screen, to record video games, to record windows, etc. To record, in short, everything. Okay, it has more features than with the game bar, the Windows default video recorder, screen recorder. Okay, so head over to Chrome or your search engine, whatever it is. Then the software that I'm about to show you is called OBS Studio. Click it, press enter, the OBS Studio, and then basically you see these types: Windows, Mac OS, Linux. If yours is Windows, yours is Mac OS, Linux, you choose the appropriate one. Download the Windows version. For me, I have Windows. I'll download the Windows version. Automatically it will start downloading, and here you can see some features that it comes with. So basically it's not that big, it's 150 MB. So after it's finished downloading, basically I downloaded it before, so okay, so now it has finished downloading. So you can go to downloads. Let me go to my file explorer, then head over to downloads. Head over to downloads, then you double click the installer. Basically you just go through the normal software window program installation. Okay, so already I had installed OBS. So when you launch OBS, this is the screen that you will be met with, the window, and you can see here there's a lot of features. Okay, more features than the Windows game bar. We have the file edit, view, etc. So I wanted to focus on these two right here and this part right here. Okay, so this one, scenes, basically is just like the title. This is basically just like the title of your recording. So if, for example, I had been recording the screen, you can call it screen recording, hotspot fix, that is the title. Okay, sources, and in order to create a title, you just click here and then you enter the name, then press enter. Okay, and then the sources is now what you want to record. For example, if you want to record video games, if you want to record the screen, if you want to record a window, basically if you want a specific thing to record, you just click this plus button and then you'll see all these features. Let me center this one. If you see these features, you can record the window, you can record the video, you can record the display, game capture. And in order to start recording, you just click here, and stop recording, you just click the same thing. You can stream basically as you go on recording your videos. Okay, so that's it. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe. Catch you in the next video.